This video is the third in a series, which provides guidance and handy tips on how to install Hardie Fine Texture Cladding. Part 3. Horizontal joints and corners. The panels come in common wall heights to help reduce waste: 2440mm, 2750mm, 3 meters, and 3600mm. If you have a wall that extends beyond these heights, you'll need to use a Hardie horizontal jointer to create a second row of cladding. The Hardie 9mm aluminium horizontal express jointer has an alignment tab for the top panel and cover for the panel below. Alternatively, the Hardie 9mm aluminium horizontal T-jointer gives a cleaner look, but it requires panel sizing and alignment. The jointer location needs to be carefully integrated into the panel layout with input from the designer and homeowner. Consider alignment with the top of the windows or door frames, or centered between the top of the windows and the eaves, or at the bottom on the lower wall. Lining it up with the finished floor level works well. Complementing the horizontal jointers is the Hardie 9mm aluminium base trim. It has the same 6mm express joint as the horizontal jointers. It's a detail which gives a high quality finish to the cladding. Next, let's look at corner accessories. The Hardie 9mm aluminium internal concave corner is the clear choice that provides a smooth transition between walls. The recommended external corner is the Hardie 9mm aluminium external slimline corner, as it minimises aesthetic interruption to the texture. This corner requires more care and attention when installing it, as you will need to cut the panel edge at 45 degrees. When installing the panel, slot the edge in at an angle into the corner accessory. Or, an alternative external corner with more edge cover that doesn't require a 45-degree cut is the Hardie aluminium 9mm external square corner. For more information on accessories, refer to the Hardie Fine Texture Cladding installation guide, which is available on the James Hardie website. In Part 4, we'll look at weather barrier and windows.